It's launch day. Da 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 do. Da da do. What? I'm gonna take this shade. I'm gonna go in with the purple one. Okay, because this is my favorite, I'm gonna go in with this one. So I'm just showing you guys the shade name, so I apologize for that. But okay, I'm gonna use that shade to blend it out. I almost tapped into the purple, and then I'm gonna tap it, and then just use it to blend all the way up to the brow bone. Okay, the one I can't pronounce, Milky Way, we're gonna go in underneath the eye, so I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna go with that in the inner corner, and then okay, now I'm taking that shade and I'm going on the brow bone. So okay, so I'm not gonna show this on camera, but I'm gonna pick a color, which I believe I'm gonna go with this teal color, and put it in my, well, not eye, but I'm gonna put it like right above this area. So okay, so completed look with this beautiful palette, and I went for like the galaxy theme and then just started adding a bunch of extra stuff, but even put some highlight on my nose. But yeah, I again just really like this palette, and I can create multiple looks with it, so absolutely love